Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I had sat down here and started making some earrings, and I thought to myself, "Oh, you know what? Let me turn on the camera." So I pretty much already beaded the wire. This is my 18 gauge gold tone wire, and I have like the little key charms at the bottom with some of the 18 gauge color wire and some of these boho beads. So I'm gonna just go ahead and fold it, like I always do, just fold it over like so. And we've already talked about why I do them this way. And then I'm going to just take the wire and just twist it. I didn't want to do a lot to these only because there's a lot going on with the bead, and then I have the wire down here, then I have the key. So my thought was to just get a lot of wire up here at the top just to give it a nice little finish. So I'm going to bring this wire back up. And then I'm going to just put it right there. And then that seems a little, might have to loosen that up in there so to make the key a little bit looser. That'll be difficult for me to do because of the wire. I can literally probably unwind this and it'll be fine. That's not bad though. Take the wire. Um, Fold it down just a little bit more using my pliers. Oh, when I tell you guys I am tired, I'm like really tired. And it's not even tired. I think it's more sleepy than anything because I messed around and went in there in the room after I came from worship service and laid down for a minute. I didn't go sleep or anything, but I laid down. And I was like, oh my goodness, let me get up and go do something. But I felt like really sleepy. I'm going to mess this up right here. Oh, let me do this. I'm going to just clip just a little bit of it off right here, so I can fold it into the wire, and then fold it down or close it down into it like so. And then that'll be one of the earrings. I like it only because it looks different. It almost looks strange. But I've learned that just because I don't like something, that does not mean somebody else won't like it. And I promise you, I have made pieces and I'll be like, I do not like that. I'm going to fold the wire over like so. And then I'm going to just go ahead and twist it, wrap it around. And I have made pieces and I was like, I'm going to take this apart. I don't like this. But then I'll be like, you know what, Darlene, just because you don't like it don't mean somebody else is not going to like it. So I've learned, even if I don't like it, somebody else likes it. Chances are. And then let's do, fold this wire over. And I'm not even holding this right. This because the wire is so delicate. I got to be careful what I'm doing. Then I tore the whole bottom part up. So I'm just fold this wire into here. See, look, it already messed up. That's the thing with this little, and it's 18 gauge wire. That's the thing. It's just, and I think the difference in it being lighter is it's because it's aluminum. That other wire is copper. So of course it wouldn't be as thick. Let's see if I can see what these look like. Very different. You can tell that's backwards though if I turn it around. All right, let's put some ear wires on them. See what they're looking like. Oh, let me do this. Yeah, this one is acting kind of funky. Well, that's not a bad looking earring. It's different. It's not the cutest that I've seen. But like I said, just because I don't like it, don't mean somebody else is not gonna like it. I have learned that. So I am gonna hang on to them, you know, sell them at that upcoming event or something. Yeah, that's not bad. And I just love the boho beads. These are like really pretty. And I'm really trying to get as much use as I can out of this wire. I figure it's not the support for the earrings, so it would be okay. The support, in a sense, the gold wire is a support. So I already know this is not going to come apart. This is not going to come loose or anything like this blue thin wire would. You know, if they were up here, I just wouldn't feel comfortable with the blue wire up here and it being the base for the earrings. But I think these are cute. I like them. I like them, but I don't like them. If that sounds. I'm gonna try them on this here display. See what they look like. Yeah, that's not bad. It just says somebody will like them. And it gives a lot of bling to the earring too. Just makes them a little different. You know what I probably should have did was hung a couple of more charms, smaller charms from each side to give it just a little bit more personality. I think what brings them out here is because of the beads and the keys. There's the bead. Oh, excuse me, I'm yawning. The beads and the keys. Not bad. Not bad at all. Somebody's gonna really like these. But that's these for now. Just a really quick pair of earrings using the 18 gauge gold tone wire, the 18 gauge color wire, the little boho beads, and then also these little bitty small metal charms. Yeah, these are really cute. All right, family, we'll talk soon.